You know, back when supper was simple, meals like this were part of an everyday week. Just ground beef, noodles, and a few simple ingredients, and you've got a hearty meal the whole family will love. Today, we're making up a creamy one pan beef and noodles that's rich, comforting, and incredibly easy to make. So let's get started. Okie dokie, the first thing we're going to do is grab up a pound of ground beef and add it to a pan over medium high heat. And we'll just kind of break this up a little bit here. You gotta have the old breaker upper thingy, right? Fantastic tool. Should get one. And we're gonna stir and fry this until the beef browns up and it's basically just about cooked. And you're not gonna believe this, guys. I got this ground beef on sale for $5 a pound, so I bought about 10 of them. So, relatively cheap ground beef is still out there. We are basically fried up here, guys. And, it says that the ground beef is grass-fed. And some people say, well, it doesn't make any difference. It's not really grass-fed, blah, blah, blah. But I just love the way it cooks because there's very little grease. It's just about perfect here. Anyway, off to one side of the pan we go. And in I go with a small chopped onion. You gotta have lots of onion. You can never have too much onion. It's mostly water anyway. And 3 cloves of the old garlic. And I'll just saute this for a couple of minutes just until that wonderful smell fills the air. Okay, after a couple of minutes, we are smelling good. Just onion and garlic frying would make you hungry. At any rate, I'm going to mix everything together here. I just love cast iron. I should start a new channel, Cooking with Cast or something like that. Now we're going to season things up with a bit of salt. I'd say about a teaspoon, something like that. And of course, some of the old ground black pepper. And me and ground black pepper. Probably a heaping teaspoon of that. A good teaspoon of the old smoked paprika. I always say get the smoked if you can. It's much better than the regular. Next, my all-time favorite, a heaping teaspoon of Italian seasoning. It's not Italian, but Italian seasoning has just about everything in it. And a good tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, just for that depth of flavor. Now we'll give everything a good mix around just till that seasoning covers everything. And that's the great thing about these simple recipes, and it is a simple recipe. It'll take you, maybe 15, 20 minutes to cook it, but if you season everything well, it's going to make the world of difference. That was a problem with when I was growing up. My mom and my aunts would never season anything. I used to love my grandma's roast beef. She put garlic on it. But that's the trick, my friend. Season, season, season. My beef is fried up really well here, and just about a little bit of a caramelization on it. So, 3 cups of the good old rich beef broth. You might say, 3 cups? That's a lot, Dave. Well, we're going to go in with some egg noodles. And what I'm going to do is bring this to a gentle boil. Gentle boil going on here, and man, this is smelling good. I give it a little taste, and it is so good. So in we go with 3 cups of egg noodles. You can use just about any pasta, but I just love egg noodles. Give this a good stir around here. Oh my goodness. And we're going to reduce our heat to medium-low, slip a lid on, and let this burl or boil away for about 10 or 12 minutes until those noodles cook up. Well, the noodles are cooking up. How do you like my John Lennon glasses, by the way? Give peace a chance, brother. Anyway, the weather check. It was good for a couple of days. We were in the 70s, 80s, and then all of a sudden it took a plunge. It was cool yesterday. And they're calling for severe thunderstorms and rain for the next 4 or 5 days. So anyway, I don't know. Let me know what the weather is like down your way because I'd love to hear about it. Well, after about 10 or 12 minutes, those noodles are done. So I'm going to pour in about 3/4 of a cup or a cup of table cream. You can use heavy cream too, or even half and half. And then about a cup and a half of the good old cheddar cheese. This is optional, but I just love cheese. We'll give this a stir around, and I'm just going to let this simmer away, guys, for a couple of minutes just until it thickens up. Now, the whole thing is, if it's not liquidy enough for you, you can add a little more cream, or if it's too liquidy, you can add a little less. But that cream just makes it nice and silky. Now we've simmered away here for, 4 or 5 minutes. It is looking absolutely perfect. Rich and silky, so I'm going to kill the heat, and we are pretty much ready to serve. But don't go away yet, because we've got some other stuff to do. Because I'm going to garnish this up with some greens, some parsley, fresh from the old garden. Maybe in the next video, I'm going to show you guys the garden. It's coming along wonderfully. And we are ready to serve. Okay, guys, just before we dig in and do the old taste test, just a few tips. You can always alter the seasoning according to what you like, but I think it's pretty well seasoned up well here. You can use different noodles if you like, or you can even use ground chicken or ground turkey, but I really prefer the ground beef. But I've done some cipher in here in my head, and I figure $5 for the ground beef, maybe about, I don't know, $2 or $3 for everything else. So you got $7, $8 for a meal that'll feed, I don't know, about 4 people. Even if you paid $10 for the ground beef, still $12 for a meal that'll feed 4 people. That's still pretty good. So anyway, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Okie dokie, let's dig in here and see what we have. Just look at those noodles. Oh my goodness. And the ground beef. But the topping or the icing on the cake is going to be that seasoning. I bet you it is going to be so good. But we'll see when we taste it. All right, let's give this a taste and see. Hope it's not too hot. What can I say? For a few bucks on a meal that's so simple, back when supper was simple, remember? It is so good. The seasoning is really good. That's what makes the dish. The noodles are cooked perfectly. I just love the ground beef. But like I say, alter it the way you like it. Definitely give it a try. Make it up. And if you do, leave us a comment because I love to read them. Most of all, like and subscribe. Helps the channel out. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time in our next humdinger video. I'm going to have... Oh, this is good.